You may well be thinking that using newsletters to make money is old hat and doesn't work nowadays. Well, we'd like to beg to differ, as we believe that you can still use newsletters to generate both money and business opportunities, and in this video we'll show you how. We will even give you help on how to get started, how to target the right people, and 10 ideas on how you can make money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new ways to make money and give yourself the life you want. Email marketing has been around for years, and it has proven to be very effective and simple for even the most basic internet users to gain business and to make money. But we still hear people ask, how do you make money with newsletters? Are they easy to start and get going? What are the best newsletter business ideas? Should I consider a newsletter for my business? In this week's video, we'll tell you about 10 different ways that you can use newsletters to make money online, and answer all those questions and more you might be asking yourself. So the first thing most people get hung up on is, how do I grow my email list? Well, whether you're just getting started with growing your email list, or you're raring to go with thousands of engaged subscribers, growing a list is one of a business's greatest marketing assets. Email subscribers are people who have opted in to receive updates from a business directly to their inbox. What a business does with these subscribers we'll go into later, but before you can make money, you have to grow that email subscriber database. Implement just a few of these things from a list of 20 and you'll be multiplying your contact database in no time. We'll also put the list in the description below. Getting started with your newsletter. There are a few simple steps to follow when starting a newsletter campaign for the first time, so follow these steps to get started. 1. Define your call to action. Before you even think about starting and sending out emails, what is it you want the receivers to do? You need first to define your goals. Do you want them to visit your website, make a purchase, sign up for something? Think about how you are going to monetize what you want to send out. Your end goals will guide you with what you want to say. If you already have a following on your website or social media, consider creating a survey to see what they want to read about. 2. Outline a plan for your newsletters in the future. Decide on the type of content you plan to share. It helps to have a focused newsletter. What will your readers find valuable? Look at some of your competitors and see what they are promoting and writing about. You want to include great content in all your newsletters, but especially the first half dozen, so that your subscribers feel validated for subscribing. Outline your first few months' newsletters so that you know what you'll be writing about and not have a scattergun approach. 3. Decide how often you'll be sending out. Your readers will expect to hear from you on a consistent schedule, especially if you say you send out weekly, fortnightly or monthly. Here at Business with Joe, we promise to post great video content on how to make money every Thursday. So far, we've not missed one week. We've even added a 40-second Motivational Monday video into our schedule. When you're starting out, be realistic about how often you can create newsletters. Choose a schedule and be consistent. Try to always send on the same day and around the same time as well. 4. Choose an email service. There are many email marketing services to help you manage sending your newsletters and your list of subscribers. Here's just a few: MailChimp, Constant Contact and ConverterKit. They all come with different features including email newsletter templates and sending capabilities. Check the pricing tiers to find the features that fit your needs. Try it for free if you can, and have a group of people you trust and send to them and ask for feedback, not only on the content but also the look and ease of use of the newsletter. 5. Create a welcome email. You will want a welcome email to send to new subscribers. This email should welcome them and introduce them to what they can expect from your newsletter, and it's one of the most important emails to send to new subscribers, so you can start building a relationship with them. 6. Get the word out there. You can't just sit back and send out newsletters and wait. You need to promote your newsletters. If you have a website, you should have a subscription box on all the relevant pages. You may want to consider offering some sort of freebie, such as a helpful free downloadable PDF, to entice people to subscribe to your newsletter. If you're not sure what to offer your readers, take a look again at your competitors and what they are offering if you sign up for them. If you use social media, you can also promote your newsletters here. 7. Monetize. Once you have a good email list, you can start to monetize. It's best to start slowly. You don't want to bombard new subscribers with requests to buy things. Develop a connection with your readers and they will begin to trust you. You can then start to monetize. It's best to have a monetization strategy, including quick ways to earn money and how to earn money as your readership grows. If you plan to offer premium newsletters, you may want to start with a free newsletter to your mailing list and give yourself time to prove yourself to the readers. Once you have established yourself, you can then start offering paid subscription. So you're ready to get started. First of all, remember what a newsletter is. It's a way to show off your brand and how good you are, so only ever put out the best you can. When it boils down to it, there are two types of newsletter models. Free newsletters, which typically make money via sponsors, advertising, and funneling readers to your buy page. And paid newsletters, which make money from paid subscriptions. There is no right or wrong newsletter model. They both have their good and bad bits. For example, free newsletters, you can write about almost anything so long as there's an audience that wants to read it and you are offering them some things to buy that they actually want and need. However, you need a big list and high open rates to make real money. Paid newsletters. You can make money faster and more consistently compared to free, but you need high value content that can't be found anywhere else. And distribution is harder since most of your content is behind a paywall. It really depends on what you want to achieve. If you want your newsletter to be your primary source of income, then a paid newsletter would be better. However, if you are trying to build an audience or use a newsletter to funnel people to another product, then a free one works better. 10 ways to make money from a newsletter. Offer freebies. Almost everyone likes a freebie, and a newsletter is a perfect place to promote free items to your audience. It can also be helpful to mention freebies if you don't know exactly what to share in your newsletter. Try to incorporate freebies as much as possible because it might help you get more subscribers and build a buzz around your newsletter. A freebie could be PDF of things you've mentioned, but you can go into more detail, or ebooks and money off things you are selling. 2. Sell products. Use your newsletter to sell products from the well-known brands like Amazon, eBay, and other businesses and companies. Make sure that you know what your audience is looking for or has an interest in so that you will have more success promoting and selling products from others in your newsletter. Try to keep on brand. It's no good selling pension advice if you're aiming for a youth audience. 3. Sell your own products. You can never go wrong selling your own products. If you have an audience that appreciates and has value in what you share, they will be happy to support you by purchasing some of your products, whether that be the form of a book, online courses, apps, design, t-shirts, etc. Just make sure that you include valuable content along with your products. Become an affiliate. If you don't have any products that you have created yourself and need some items to promote, there are some great affiliate programs that you can join to make commission when you sell a product. 5. Contests and giveaway. Contests and giveaway are a great way to keep your audience excited about your newsletter because it gives them something to look forward to and gives your newsletter some credence. Surveys. Why not try promoting some of the survey panels that you have joined up with to earn money for referring your friends, family and others? There are several sites that will pay you to recruit new members. 7. Smartphone apps. Mostly everyone has a favourite app or two that they use regularly. Why not introduce your subscribers to some great apps that can benefit them in some way, whether it is to save time, provide a service they need, or even help them earn some cash. Advertisers. Once your newsletter is established, your own subscribers and advertisers may want to promote their products or ideas to your audience. As the owner of your newsletter, you can come up with or negotiate a rate they agree to pay for their service. If you send out weekly newsletters, you may be able to increase your earnings with advertisers or spots for sponsors in your newsletter. Blog or website. If you are a website owner, you can use your newsletter to draw attention to it and cross-promote it to your audience. Never assume that your newsletter subscribers actually visit your site. Give them a reason to by including creative and informative content in your newsletter. 10. Extra cash sites. An added feature to your newsletter would be to include some sites that they could join for some extra cash and provide some helpful tips on how to be successful with them. Here are some extra cash sites that you could promote in your newsletter. And there are loads more out there for you to find. We hope this week's video has given you some ideas on how you could use a newsletter to help you grow your business, and that there is still mileage in using them. Let us know how you get on, and please leave a comment below. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.